Hi everybody, Julie Ball here, coming at you with another unboxing of Sparkle, Hustle, Grow. This is the March 2018 box. It was themed confidence, and I'm going to take out each item one by one and tell you a little bit about it and why it was included. So first is the Yay It's Here card. This is your packing list. So if you find an item in there that you don't know what it is, or if you want to find out the retail value, just take a look at your packing list. The next thing in the box is always going to be access to an online training. So this month's online training is a 30-day access pass to the Savvy community, which is a membership site experience led by Heather Crabtree. Subscribers will be able to take a look at video trainings, downloads, a directory, forums, and it's really a gold mine of information for entrepreneurs at all levels of business. All right, let's get to the products. This product was included in a past box and it was a subscriber favorite. So here it is again. This is a Selfie ring light. So part of being confident is putting your best foot forward and feeling good about how you look. So one way to help you feel more confident is to have good lighting in your videos and in your photos, and of course selfies. So this is a little clip light that basically you just clip on to the top of your phone or your tablet or even on your laptop. And it has a couple different levels of light. So you just press the button on the back and you can see how powerful it is for such a small ring light. And it comes with a charger, a USB charger. So there's no batteries. You basically just charge it up and use it. Next thing in the box is the Hairtie Bangle. This is super fun because I love things that are pretty yet practical. So how many of you female entrepreneurs put a hair tie on the wrist? Me. So then you have those wristband marks and it just doesn't look good, especially if you're gonna get dressed up and then you have a hair tie. Well, now you can have it both. So this is the Hairtie Bangle, and subscribers also get 20% off on maymayjewelry.com, who are just amazing female entrepreneurs in themselves. They have this great passion behind them to support other female entrepreneurs, and it was truly a pleasure to work with them on this collaboration. So here it is. It's an adjustable bangle, and you just take the hair tie off. If you want to use it, you can wear it with or without the hair tie. So subscribers got either a gold, rose gold, or silver. So subscribers, if you got one and you wanted a different one, we will post in our private Facebook group. If you want to swap them out, you guys could do that. Next in the box is 25 square prints. Basically, Parabo press prints these 4-inch squares. It's kind of on this extra thick paper, and they remind me of Instagram squares. So all of our subscribers get a code to print out 25 photos of their choice. And I'm going to be printing out great product pictures. I'm going to be printing out some of our favorite Instagram photos and even some of our testimonials and media mentions. And what I'm going to do is make some sort of frame that's got all 25 prints and hang it up in my office. So thank you, Parabo Press, for being a part of this month's box. Next in the box is a Notepad from Gartner Studios. It says Woman with a Vision, and it's in a holographic style print on it. It's 4.5 by 5.5 inches, but take a look at that. There is a lot of paper in there. So keep this on your desk for a little boost of confidence to remind yourself that you are a woman with a vision. Next in the box is a sample packet from INVIA. So INVIA is a 0-calorie drink mix, and it comes in a stick. And it's got scientific studies behind it to prove that it increases your energy and clarity. So who needs a little more focus in their office? Me. So that's why we included this. When it comes to confidence, you want to make sure you've put yourself in a position to be at your very best. So INVIA Drink Mix helps us get there. Sparkle Hustle Grow subscribers also got a 15% off coupon if they want to buy more. The next piece in the box adds a little girl power decor to your office. This is an art print. It's a 5x7 art print by HeartSigned. I found them on Etsy, and it was such a pleasure to work with them. But it's a 5x7 art print, and it's on this real thick cardstock. So you can either frame it, or you could put it in one of those clip stands. So I have one of these that I got at Target, and so I can just slide it right in there and use that as some decor. How about right there for now? Okay. So next in the box is a book. Every month we include a book because we are very focused on personal development and business training, that type of thing. This month, you guys, Girl Wash Your Face by Hollis. Stop believing the lies about who you are. so you can become who you were meant to be. If you haven't heard of Rachel Hollis before, she is a best-selling author, speaker, and founder and CEO of Chic Media. I find that following Rachel on social media and watching her videos has been a huge inspiration to me. She just motivates me because she tells it like it is. She's not afraid to share her flaws publicly. And in fact, this book, every single chapter is about a lie that she told herself, and then it tells the story of how she worked through it. For example, I'll start tomorrow. I'm not good enough. No is the final answer. I'm not a good mom. I am defined by my weight. I will never get past this. So it's just this very real chronicle of things that female entrepreneurs and in general women are challenged with on a day-to-day basis. So by hearing her story and hearing how she got through it and the motivation that she is presenting in this book, it helps us raise our confidence. I love listening to her podcast, and now we have the book in the box. So once you become a Sparkle Hustle Grow subscriber, you'll get your invitation to join our private Facebook group where we'll be doing a book study on Girl Wash Your Face this month. And we also have our guest expert joining us. We have collaborations. We just have a lot of great, positive, inspirational engagement in there. It's such a joy to be a part of. If you're feeling inspired, go to sparklehustlegrow.com and reserve the April box, which our theme is Level Up. We'll be posting some spoiler alerts on social media soon, so be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sparkle Hustle Grow. One of the perks of subscribing to Sparkle Hustle Grow is the fact that it is a business write-off. Everything that we have in the box is geared toward business growth, personal development, and training, books, all that good stuff. That's all considered a business expense. You'll want to talk to your accountant, but typically our members will write it off as a membership program. Guys, don't wait. We have a limited amount of boxes and mini mailers each month. So oftentimes we sell out, and when they're gone, they're gone. So if you're not already a subscriber, go now to sparklehustlegrow.com and subscribe today. Thanks. Bye.